What up, y'all? Today we're going to open up 2 Ascended booster bundles for 12 packs total. Let's get into it. Chia boy. Pull out the trusty Swiss Army knife. Sing! Sing! Oh yeah, brother. Oh yeah. Still in chase for Gengar SIL and a gold Charizard Y. Hyper Real. Maybe we can hit a God Pack. Maybe we can't. It's all with luck for the pants today. Crack-a-lacka. Here we go. Into the Ascended Hero Show. Dun da da da. We got 12 Packolas total. That's our chase cards today. Without further ado, let's get into her. Start with the right booster box first. Hell yeah, brother. Code card for y'all. We're gonna guess Psychic. Ooh, pats on back, baby. Chikorita, Helioptile, Night Stretcher, Clefairy, Salaz, Willie's the Term, Bayleaf, Dragon Energy, Grubbin, Quick Ball, and a Tapu Poo. Cool. Cool beans. Not every pack's gonna be a hit, you know? You just gotta be hanging in there. Code card for y'all. We're gonna guess Fire Energy. Ground. Dang. Wurmple. Raboot. Sneasel. Hops Phantom. Team Rocket's Mimikyu. Vikavolt. Light Ball. Togekiss. Psychic Energy Hollow. Cramorant. Poke Hollow. And a Charon. Good old Charon. It's like a Karen, but a Charon. Alright, next pack. Hopefully we can get a God Pack today. That'd be sick. We got 9 more chances, baby. Code card for y'all. We're going to guess Fire. Nope. Water. Hollow. Interesting. No God Pack. Galarian Zigzagoon. Carkol. Snorunt. Budew. Delcatty. Running out of space here. Acarola's Mischief. Glastrier. Larry's Staraptor. Normal Energy. Larry's Dunsparce. And an Entei. I feel like we got something in this pack. Alrighty. Code card for y'all. We're going to guess Normal Energy. No, Leaf. Pooperola. Grubbin. Charjabug. Vanillite. Dreepy. Salaz. Delcatty. Fighting Gong. Puccina. Dark Energy. Tapu Koko. Quick Energy. And a Mega Odino. Alright, second hint of the day. Not great. Not great. We have to summon the positive energy. Buddha, be with us. Give us this strong Qigong. Alright. Next Packarola. This one opened pretty easy. Code card for y'all. We're going to guess Fire Energy. No, Lightning. Poopy. Dratini. Team Rocket's Meowth. Shuppet. Darumaka. Dugtrio. Raichu. Team Rocket's Hypnotizer. Energy Psyduck. Cool card. Charmeleon. Quick Ball. And a Pin Urchin. the butt chin. That's 3 hitties technically. Last pack magic. Come on, Snorlax. Don't fail us now. Come on, old boy. You got us the Pikachu. Can do it again. Code card for y'all. Bada boom, bada bing. We're gonna guess Psychic. Fire. Jeez. Unbelievable. Execute. Salandit. Chikorita. Night Stretcher. Glastrier. Raichu. Acarola's Mischief. Fighting Gong Reverse Hollow. Totodile Quick Ball. And a Team Rocket Spot Ups. No last pack magic there, boys. Alright. Second booster bundle. Code card for y'all. We're gonna guess water. Nope, lightning. Erica's Bellsprout, Glass Trumpet, Hitmontop, Larry's Rufflet, Dragonair, Mystery Garden, Weavile, Slurpuff, Psychic Energy, Colossal, and a King Gambit. No Diceroo. That's alright. Feel like we got a hitty in here. No doubt. No doubt. Alrighty, code card for y'all. We're gonna guess Psychic. Nope. Steel. Pooperola. Skitty. Erica's Bellsprout. Rotom. Tepig. Lily's the Term. Bayleaf. Delcatty. Buddy Poffin, Reverse Hollow, Spectre, Quick Ball, and a Pekarant. Pooperola. Next pack in. Gotta get something in here. Code card for y'all. Fire. Oh, water. Almost. Dynamo. Silcoon, Dracloak, Waitress, Galarian Obstagoon, Anthean Concordia, Team Rocket's Doug Trio, Premium Powered Pro, the Gatorade, Rayquaza Quick Ball, and a Colossal. Poop beans. Could get that Gengar, that would be sick. We have to call it into existence. Code card for y'all. We're gonna go with Psychic. No, Ground. Poop beans. Pancham. Puccina. Ultra Ball. Numel. Acarola's Mischief. Glastrier. Team Rocket's Doug Trio. Ooh, and a Marill. And a Silcoon and a Spectre. Alright, not too shabby. Pretty good. Nice sign rate. Third hit of the day. Well, I guess fourth technically. Alright. Last 2 pack magic. Come on, Snorlax. Don't fail us now. Come on, old buddy, old pal. He's got the strong Qigong. Code card for y'all. We're going to guess water. Leaf, of course. Scorbunny. Snom. Metatype. Starly. Darumaka. Team Rocket's Petrol. Erica's Weepinbell. Frostmoth, Water Energy. Wurmple Love Ball. And an Entei. Poop. Poop, poop, poop. Last pack magic. Here we go. Last pack magic, it's a Pokemon show. Hopefully that worked. Code card for y'all. We're gonna guess Psychic. Yes, that's 2 Psychics today we got. Dynamo, Mischievous, Cascoon, Scorbunny, Raichu, Team Rocket's Hypnotizer, Larry's Braviary, Dreepy, Dragon Energy, Larry's Staraptor, Pokeball, and an Iono's Belly Bolt. Wah, wah, wah. Well, that's all we got out of 12 packs. Pretty poopalicious, but sometimes you cook, sometimes you get cooked. Hope you all enjoyed. Have a great day. Peace.